This ain't highlighter, this is damn sweat. Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my January favourite. The first thing I'm going to start off with is these Revlon Colorstay lipsticks. They are so good. Like, oh wow, why don't we? You're so annoying. If you touch anything, you're dead. Just because like this is so precarious.
No, I actually went because that's actually dog.
Why are you here?
This is my lovely sister.
You're not in the frame.
Subscribe.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Paige! Check in here. Hear it?
Yeah,
That was really weird. But yeah, these things do not come off. Like, I'll get like a makeup wipe, like a chemically nasty makeup wipe, and like scrub my face, and like this shit, it ain't coming off. I've just got them in the colours All Night Fuchsia and Keep Blushing, because I like me some pinks, although I want to get a brownie one as well. They are, I got these from Priceline and I think they were $29 each, so. What is that noise? Ah! Hey, it was a wasp again! There's a fucking wasp in my room. I'm so allergic to wasps. Please fly out. Leave! Leave my room! I got rid of the wasp. It's okay. I didn't die. $29 from Priceline or like anywhere. They're Revlon. You can get it bloody anywhere. So in the realm of makeup is this microfiber. I'm gonna be back. This microfiber makeup removing cloth. It's just black cloth. It's so smooth. I'm gonna insert a clip of me taking off my makeup with it to prove that it works. My mum got it from the Australia Post Office, so I don't really know where else you get it. She got it from the post office. The brand is Sweet Little Things, and the cloth is 100% polyester. Is that the same as microfiber? 2 years of textiles did not teach me. I thought they were different. But this is apparently a microfiber cloth that says 100% polyester. Textiles has failed me. I feel failed. Okay. Now moving on to fashion. My first thing is this dress. I don't know how big this frame is. I didn't check. But it is a yellow gingham like slip dress sort of thing. It's got like darts down the front. These darts are a bit weird. They like sit here, and they're supposed to go in, but they go out instead. I don't know, but it's really cute. It's just got like little spaghetti straps, zipper at the back. I just loved this colour, and I love gingham, and it's so breezy to wear, and it's by the brand Lioness. I spent too much money in the sales, it is bad. So these tights I got from Cotton On. They are these really cute sports leggings, stretchy, in this really cool like painted pattern that you can see all the details in it. It's really cool. They are so good. Like usually I wear the Michelle Bridges ones that you get from Big W and they're like $20. And they're alright, but I have to literally jump into them, and I have to after I go to the gym, I have to like peel them off. Like, these are so silky and smooth, and they were like, I got them for 20 because again, Christmas sales, but they are usually 40, I believe. But oh my gosh, so worth it. They're not even that expensive. I'm just a cheap ass and don't like to spend more than $5 on anything. They are worth the $40. They make your butt look great. They don't give you a camel toe. They have like a little pocket in the waistband. Don't know what you put in there. Maybe some coins, maybe your car keys. But they are just brilliant. I love them. Pink heels by Nine West. They're so comfy. They're like a millennial pink. This is the colour millennial pink, my favourite freaking colour. It has like a bit of padding in here. It's really good. I still got the price tag on it. Whoops, daisies. So yeah, they're by Nine West. They just have the little like ankle strap and like toe strap, and they're like a millennial pink suede sort of thing. I don't know what they're actually made out of. Probably should have checked. Didn't. Probably not vegan, sorry. I have no reason to ever wear them because I don't like clubbing. I like garden parties. Invite me to a garden party to go drink tea in these heels and a cute dress. Hell yeah, that's my style. The next shoe, bought them in the Christmas sales. Can't wait till these Christmas sales end just because I keep spending all my damn money. They end, by the time this video goes up, the Christmas sales would have ended though. Thank goodness for my bank account. Oh my gosh. Yes, the next one are these pink high top Vans. Again, like the pink suede. They're like more pinky than the heels. So comfy. I love a high top sneaker. I love sneakers because I hate toes. Toes are disgusting. So I love sneakers because you can't see your toes. And these are pink, which is my favourite colour, and they're like this sort of millennial pink as well. Sort of in the same field, I don't know, is this, oh my laptop is, the laptop in here is not my favourites. But yeah, so this case, got it from Typo, $40, actually bought something full priced for once in my life, but I was like, you know what, splurge, go for it girl, treat yourself. It's like pinky rose gold and it's sparkly, and it's got that like cover over the sparkles so you don't have to feel the gross bumpiness of the sparkle. Like it's shiny and like slippery and smooth, and it's got like a little pocket here and it's just plain in the back. Yes, I hope it's waterproof. I don't know if it is. I bought it because it was pretty and it's padded and it's pretty. Yes. And then the next thing, the Woman's Weekly Sustainable Cookbook. It's like, I'm really into like saving waste, making do with what you have. I don't eat a lot of meat. Check out my blog for a post about what I do and don't eat and why. Oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty. Quite a few steps, but if you know how to cook, you can 100% simplify this. This cookbook is really extra with its steps that you don't need to follow the recipe. What was it that I made? With cauliflower pilaf a few nights ago for dinner, and as you can see, that's a lot of instruction. You know what I did? I chucked it all into a baking dish and put it in the oven. Tasted brilliant. The flavors in this book, the steps in this book, like recommend only getting this book if you know what you're doing in the kitchen, man. This is not the beginner's cookbook. What is the beginner's cookbook is this other one here. 101 Vegetarian Recipes by Alice Hart. I don't know who Alice Hart is, but shout out to you, Alice Hart. Nobody watches my videos, why am I shouting you out? But yeah, as the title explains, it is 101 vegetarian recipes, and it's got like some cool information in it. As you can see, there's like 3 steps. Brilliant, exactly what I want in life. So this one is my other favourite book. So I've had to stand up to show you this next favourite, which is my freaking ultimate favourite. It is, I'll insert a better shot. It is this 1950s, 60s, 70s, I don't know, mid-century sideboard that I got from Vinnie's for $50. I fucking love thrift shopping. Yeah, it's this really nice like medium brown colour. It's got gold trim, gold handles, this cool glass slidey door with gold trims. It's just such a good height. It's got the splayed legs. Love the splayed legs. Freaking, oh, yes, I love splayed legs. It's just like perfect for my room. Love it, 10 out of 10. So my last but not least favourite is my overlocker. Makes everything so much easier. I love to sew, in case you hadn't realised by most of the content on my YouTube channel. It is the Brother 2504D overlocker. It's a 4-thread overlocker. It comes with a removable little tray to catch all of the trim that comes off here, and then you thread it through all of these nifty bits, and it's got a bit of storage in here. It's really lightweight, as you'll find most new sewing products are nowadays, but to counteract that, it's actually got a suction cup on the bottom, which is really, really, really good. So, love this. Okay, so I've moved to another corner of my room because there is a wasp over there while I was trying to film over there. So I'm going to finish this video off holding the camera, phone, really professional, whilst I randomly stand over the opposite side of the room to a wasp, which I'm allergic to. But anyway, thank you for watching my favourites. I just saw the wasp drop. Anyway, thank you for watching my favourites video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I think that's like the first time I've ever said that into a video. Wow, I look so gross. Oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty and gross. I'm gonna go take this makeup off ASAP. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. There'll be links in the end card. Yeah, enjoy your day.